So in this video, I'm going to show you how to check the power steering fluid level. So reasons to check the power steering fluid level: if you're turning your wheel and you hear like a whine or something like that, or the wheel is all of a sudden really hard to turn back and forth, or you might feel like a shudder in the wheel as you turn, pop the hood and check the level on the power steering. It could be down. And if you can see in there and it's really silvery, you might want to flush out the power steering fluid and refill it with some fresh fluid. Okay, so to check the power steering fluid level in your Wrangler, it should be over here in the front on the passenger side, and it's kind of translucent, so you can see through it. There's a notch, a little marker right there, and that is, it's hard to see in there, the max mark right there. So if you wiggle it, you can kind of see the fluid level in there, and this is at the right mark. So if you had to refill it, you would take the cap off like this, and you can add power steering fluid to it and bring it up to the recommended level. So that's how you check your power steering fluid in your Jeep Wrangler. It's not that hard. If you have any questions, leave a comment. I will reply back to you. Thanks for checking us out.